Welcome to Tech Solution. D-Link router setup. Make sure the Ethernet cable is attached to modem or an active data jack to the Ethernet port in back of your router. Power on your D-Link router. Connect your PC to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once your PC is connected, open a web browser of your choice. Go to http://192.168.0.1 or http://192.168.1.1. The default gateway address may vary from model to model. A login page will appear. The default username is admin and the password field is to be left blank. Click on Login. Now, you can configure and set up your router using the Internet Connection Setup Wizard. Under Wireless Setup, enter SSID, Wi-Fi name, and key, password. Under WAN Setup, choose Connect Type, DHCP/PO/static. You can ask your ISP about your internet connection and the required details. After you have configured your internet connection, you can then click on Save and Connect and the router will now connect to the internet. You can then visit the wireless settings and set up your Wi-Fi network including its SSID and password. Thanks for watching.